In this video, I will be showing you how to install ChatGPT on Windows. Let's get started. First, I move my cursor down to the taskbar at the bottom of the screen and click on the Windows search bar. I type in ChatGPT to see if it's already installed, but since nothing appears, I select the Microsoft Store app from the menu to open it up. Once the Microsoft Store loads completely, I click on the search bar located at the top of the window. I type ChatGPT into the search field and then press enter to search the store database. The search results appear, and I click directly on the official ChatGPT app card to open up its product page. On the application page, I locate and click the blue install button on the left side. The store begins preparing to download, then validates the connection, and starts downloading the setup files. Once the status changes to complete, a notification banner from the system appears in the bottom right corner letting me know it's ready. I then click the blue Open button inside the Microsoft Store window. The ChatGPT application initializes and opens up on top of my desktop screen. A permissions window immediately pops up asking if I want to let ChatGPT access my precise location, and I click the button to select yes. Next, I click the maximize square icon in the upper right corner of the application window to make it full screen. To access my account, I move the cursor to the top right and click on the login button. I type out my preferred email address letter by letter, then click the continuous button to proceed. The application opens a verification sequence that redirects out of the standalone window and into a new tab within my Google Chrome browser. The web page contacts the authenticating servers, but before the process finishes inside the browser, a prompt window displays asking permission to open the external desktop application. I click the Open ChatGPT button to accept. The system routes me back into the dedicated desktop application. I click the button that says Restart ChatGPT. The interface reloads correctly, and I click the maximize icon in the Windows top right corner once more to clear the background. The app is open. I then move my cursor down to the main text entry area that says Ask Anything. I click inside the box, type the word, Hey, and press enter to send my message. The text goes through, a loading animation flashes briefly, and ChatGPT successfully responds back in Filipino, confirming that the installation is complete and the application is fully functional. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.